How to delete Snapchat account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. Tap on your Snapchat application and make sure that you are logged in. From here, tap on a Bitmoji icon, then select the setting gear option at the top. Scroll down to the very bottom until you see account actions. So right here you will see delete account option for you. However, if you cannot find the option just like me, don't worry, I have an alternative way for you. So what you have to do is you have to head back from your Snapchat application and open up any browser. Search for delete Snapchat account and select delete or reactivate account. From here, tap on how do I deactivate or delete my account. Then tap on Snapchat accounts portal. Wait until you are redirected to a next page. So right here you have to go ahead and enter a password of your Snapchat and tap on continue. Once you are logged in, you will see the option of delete my account and go ahead and tap on it. Again, re-enter your password, select continue bubble, and just like that your account will be deleted. Mind it will notify that your account has been deactivated, but if you read carefully, in 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.